guys, it's me Kinjal. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk to you about this Innisfree capsule recipe pack. Now, I have never tried this ever in my life. I am doing it in front of the camera for the first time. So I was randomly going through Nykaa and I was like, what should I buy? What should I test out? Like, I wanted to try something different. I've always been into skincare so much. I was randomly going through Nykaa app and I found this product right here. So I was like, let me just try this out. And I went on YouTube and I saw so many reviews on this. And I was like, it's interesting. Let me just go ahead and buy this for myself. Try it for myself. Trying it first time with you guys. And don't mind my makeup because I just shot another video and I'm still wearing that makeup. And I was like, I have to remove this makeup any which ways. So yeah, I'm wearing the same makeup. I just changed my clothes. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to, keep my hair away from my face. I'm going to first remove my makeup and then wash my face and then start it with a mask. So that my makeup is off, I'm going to wash my face and I'm going to come back. So you guys, this is my without makeup skin. This is how I look without makeup. And yeah, my skin has majorly improved. I am experimenting on my face. I am trying different skincare brands and that is why I chose to try another skincare brand in front of you guys. Even I want to see what this is all about. This is from the brand Innisfree, and Innisfree is a Korean brand. It has developed its name in the beauty world. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. It's pretty simple. It says Innisfree capsule recipe and it says wash off pack. It says Innisfree capsule pack volcanic clay. So yeah, it's of course a clay mask, so it is going to dry out my skin. I did not moisturize because before mask I don't do anything. And also, if you can see, my dark spots have majorly reduced. I am doing a spot treatment for my dark spots and you can see how it has reduced. Spot treatment which I am soon going to share with you guys. This is in the variant volcanic clay. And you also have different, I think you have Jeju, you have aloe, and you have different variants in this, but I chose clay mask. I'm opening this right in front of you guys. This is how it looks. The inner pack looks like it's all sealed. It says rinse with warm water after 10 minutes. Okay, so I am going to open this right now. Okay. So this is how it looks. Why is it half empty? So this is how it looks. Okay. Pretty, like, I think it's freezed real. So it is a little pinkish purplish color. And yeah, it is half empty as you can see. But I think this is 10 ml. Yeah, 10 ml of a product. So I think 10 ml means this much only. So yeah, this is how the inner packaging looks. And I'm just going to dip into it. I'm going to apply this on my face, keep it on 10 minutes, see how it actually works. And yeah, I'll show you a very close up of my skin so you can see before and after. So let's just dip in. Why is it freezed? And it's almost like, I feel like it's almost over. It's okay. Smells very different. It has a very alcoholic scent. Okay, it takes a lot of mehnat. And I am going to shut this. So application wise, I can tell you it's very hard to apply. Like, it's not like smoothly coming out. Yeah guys, I don't know what to say. I don't know, let it just dry now. I'm waiting for it to dry. I mean, it's really nice. You don't have to do extra efforts, to make a mask. It's already prepared. It's very cooling, but it definitely feel a sensation that something is happening to my skin. Like, it's cleaning, it's pulling out all the impurities, I feel like. So yeah, I think it's definitely working on my skin. That's how you know, right? That's how you know that something is working on the skin. I look a little scary, but it's already dried up. Time to wash this off. I'm taking a sponge just to wipe it. Let's wipe it. Okay. So this is the end result. Definitely my skin feels a lot smoother. Oh yeah, I definitely feel a difference from my nose. I love it. I am obsessed already. So I am definitely loving this product right here. It is amazing, you guys. It did not dry out my skin because I thought it is a clay mask. It is definitely going to dry out my skin, but it did not dry out my skin. I did not expect that from a clay mask. It is awesome. I love it. You can definitely reuse it more 2 to 3 times. You can use this on the days where you're feeling lazy, you don't want to make a pack, but your skin needs a little pampering session. You can definitely go in for this. I think 150 rupees, it's worth it. Because if you want to invest in a bigger size bottle, you can definitely. This is just like a small trial thing on your face. I think so, I assume so. I definitely like the idea of this capsule pack. It is amazing. I am happy that I got this for me. I feel a difference on my skin. My pores are a little minimized. You guys can see the difference on my face. I can't even tell how if the camera is doing justice or no, but I definitely feel. The fact that I like is it's not drying at all. It's extremely nourished and soft. I don't feel that I need a very heavy duty moisturizer on my skin. I really like it. It's a big thumbs up from my side. Do let me know if you want me to try different products. I'd be so happy to try it for you guys. You can definitely try it too. You can definitely get your hands on the Innisfree capsule packs, and do let me know in which variant you are getting it for you. I will link all the information in the description box, so please check it out. And that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Please don't mind my state, it is really messed up, but yeah, I just wanted to keep it raw. Also follow me on my social media handles to get connected to me. I'll see you in my next video.